Hi people, this is Nettie. Okay, as you see my strawberries, I want you to see these. Look how big they are. I'm taking it out of there because I have to cover them and it's very hot. It gets here like to 105, you know, very, very hot. So I don't, I have already a few of them that have died because of the heat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in here, right here, and then I have the cover for it. It's going to be a stocking, one of these transparent stockings. Wait, let me see if I can open it. Okay, one of these transparent stockings that I could stretch them as good as I want, and they will get some more air, and also the lizards won't be able to grab them. Okay, so how do you plant that over here? It's very easy. I'm going to show you some. Let me see, I gotta see. Okay, where am I? Okay, let me see if I see it. Wait, let me see on top. Okay, the way you take it out, as you see, like this. You make a hole and you dump it in there again. The reason why I'm doing it now is because it doesn't really have a lot of roots. It has a little teeny beeny root. That's what helps it. Now I put it here, right? I make a hole there, I put it there, then I take the next one. I'll be doing it one by one, you know, because one that is windy, so I got to be careful that it doesn't fly away. So, saying that, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.